Do you know that there is an herb that heals all? Self-heal, also known as Prunella vulgaris, is a good one to grow. It has beautiful purplish blue flowers and grows low to the ground. It is a perennial and it is creeping. Not only is it a beautiful flower to have in your landscape, it also has many health benefits. As the name suggests, self-heal can be used for everything from stopping bleeding and healing wounds to treating heart disease and sore throats. Self-heal is an anti-inflammatory, has antibiotic properties, is an antioxidant, antibacterial, fights tumors, lowers blood pressure, treats herpes, heals wounds, helps with indigestion, soothes burns, helps move the lymphatic system, helps with edema, assists with kidney issues, helps with tonsillitis, helps with tuberculosis, helps with lymphedema, prevents diabetes complications, prevents oxidative stress, prevents thrombosis, and prevents hypercholesterolemia. Now that's a lot. As you can see, self-heal is absolutely an amazing herb. Let me say that again, amazing! If you don't have this on your shelf, you need to have it. Grow it or buy it, just get it. SHTF Survival Homestead Teaching Farm thanks you for watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.